Hey guys, it's your old pal Brian. Memorial Day, 5:30 in the afternoon, Monday the 30th. Welcome to Bird Island. It is slow out here. We would be 5-6 boats deep normally.
Have there been a little more docile today?
Yeah, actually, yes. When we went by earlier, there wasn't a whole lot of goings-ons. We have just families out here predominantly. But we have the party tent over there, so that's all good. Yeah. What a lovely day, huh? Isn't that what you have on your iPod, Joe? Round and round she go.
Pontoon there was a 90.
My brother, you will be here. Me, on the other hand, will be in Zellwood. I've already sent a note to my neighbor. Make sure that old Chardonnay's chilled. Yeah, I gotta get me one of those chariots. Just wait till the first storm out here, I'll be hooked up. You know, the first real good one.
Yeah.
We'll let it sit at the boathouse for a week.
They claimed it.
Mine. Yeah, this is docile here. That is the smallest Mastercraft I think I've ever seen. That ain't nothing but motor. I love garlic. All right. Well, that, my friends, is Bird Island. Hey guys, it's your old pal Brian. This is Joe. This is John. We're back at Bird Island. Let's see what we can see. No rain. There are a few boats deep over here. One swimmer.
When you're cooking hot dogs on a boat and there's rollers, how do you keep the hot dogs from rolling all over the place?
I had a marine kettle grill like that, and the internal grate died. I got mad at myself because I had too much stuff in my garage. I said to myself, well, I'll never have another boat. I threw it away. But upside is I'm fixing to have a real nice stainless grill here next week that I bought and paid for from West Marine. But they have a lip on them.
My Tahoe from the other day.
Well, they come back with something better than what they were out with the other day. I tell you, it is dead effectively out here. We'll see how July 4th is. What day's July 4th on? Anybody know?
Monday.
Well, there you go. This ain't but a 3-day weekend. Give them some rollers. I'm getting me one of them little couches right there. I'm gonna find out where they're at.
Everyone out here different so much.
That's just pure genius.
See now we'll hear stories about this pontoon boat somewhere adrift, one of those behind the naked people.
That's what I'm saying.
That kid holding 3 beer cans. Looks like he's about 15.
Nice. The grackle is getting the tater chips. Alright guys, that was Bird Island pass number 2.